Welcome. I'm Dr. Michael Sundheim, board certified plastic surgeon and author of the textbook Aesthetic Rejuvenation of the Face and Neck. And today I'd like to start a series of discussions regarding topics in facelifting. And as I look at facelifting, I think there are two really important issues. One is I need to get you back to 15 to 20 years younger looking. The second issue is I don't want it to look like anything was done. So I want it to be very natural without visible scars or hair displacements. And so the first area of concern that our patients ask us is, where are my scars going to be placed? So I'm going to focus just right now on the temporal area, and that's this area. And so there's essentially two places the incision can be made. One is into the temporal hair, and one is at the temporal hairline. Now, into the temporal hair is a good incision, especially in patients who are younger, have a low-lying sideburn, who don't have a lot of skin laxity. They are excellent candidates for that incision. The other incision is along the temporal hairline. And why is that important? Well, those patients who have significant skin laxity by skin pinches, or they've had a previous facelift, they may have their hairline displaced already, and any further displacement is going to look very strange. So here we have an example of a patient who had a face and neck lift. She had the incision into her temporal hair, and you can see that the quality of the scar is not bad, but guess what? Her sideburn has been completely amputated, and sadly we see too many of these patients walking around. This patient has had a face and neck lift. You can see minimal scarring here, but her incision is into the along the temporal hairline, and guess what? It doesn't look like anything's been done. So in many cases, the patients will benefit from an incision at the temporal hairline, even though they think they may have a visible scar. Because the trade-off between a significantly displaced hairline versus a non-displaced hairline with a minimally visible scar is pretty clear. Thanks for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you next time.